Hi there, it is lower body workout day. I will be doing Sumo Squat and Goblet squat, and I'm using my dumbbell and my resistance band. But if you do not have a resistance band, do not worry. Also, if you do not have a dumbbell, do not worry. So I'll be showing you, is it all two variants or all three variants? I'll start with the one without the dumbbell and the resistance band first. Let's take this aside. So for sumo squat, you want to spread your legs out this way, and you go this way, like this. 1, 2, 3. You're going all the way down. However, if you have issues with your knees, like I had a few weeks back, just started healing up recently, and I just want to stop wherever you can stop. Same thing you do with your resistance band. So do not put your resistance band all the way. You want to bring it down a little so you feel the impact on your glutes. Alright. So your dumbbell is this way. Remember the leg positioning. So this way, 1, 2. So you go all the way to 10 or 15 reps in 3 sets. This is goblet squat. The positioning of your legs a bit different from that of sumo squat. You know, for sumo squat you go all the way like this, and for goblet you bring your legs closer a bit. And of course, this is how you hold the dumbbell and go down. Go all the way. 10 reps, 15 reps in 3 sets. Alright, that's it. See you in my next video. Bye.